What we're doing is swapping out this switch for the mirrors. The mirror's not working properly there, and we have a replacement switch that we ordered online, and we should be able to just pop this out, and this whole piece may come out. So kind of be careful, guys, with this. Okay, so what we do is we take something behind there flat. I'm using a flathead screwdriver, and then you're going to pop down, and that's going to come loose, and you're going to see these tabs here, or what hold it in place. Once this pops in, these lock in place. And then for this, here's that switch. Just going to pull this tab on this side, and then on that side, you see where these little indentations are? Just press in on these, or from here behind the plastic, and then just pull them out. I can't do it with one hand, so okay, if you can see these tabs down in there, in between here on this side, and then in right here on the other side. And when you've done that, you push it forward to get it out. Then you just pull that out. Then you're going to disconnect the harness. To disconnect the harness, you're going to press in on that button, on that tab right there, and then pull it out, pull it loose. Once you have that back in, you just snap this back in place, and then just snap this whole piece back up in there, and you're done. And just like that, we have it replaced, and it is working. Mirrors are being controlled, and everything is working again. It's all good.